یہ ماحول بہت آلودہ ہے. ہم یہ چاہتے ہیں کہ ہمارا ماحول صاف ستھرا اور سرسبز ہو, لیکن ہم جو کام کر رہے ہیں وہ اس کے بالکل برعکس ہیں. ہم چاہتے ہیں کہ ہمارا ماحول بالکل صاف ستھرا ہونا چاہیے, لیکن ہم جو پولیوشن زیادہ چیزیں استعمال کرتے ہیں, پلاسٹک وغیرہ استعمال کرتے ہیں, اس سے ہمارا ماحول اور زیادہ خراب ہوتا ہے. اسی کی ڈفرینس کو ہم نے اے آئی کے ذریعے کچھ ڈیفائن کرنے کی کوشش کی ہے, ایک ویژول کریٹ کی ہے. اگر آپ کو ہماری ویڈیو اچھی لگے تو ہمیں لائک اور سبسکرائب کر دینا.
Imagine a world painted in shades of vibrant green. Towering trees reach for the sky, their leaves rustling in the gentle breeze. Crystal clear rivers flow through lush meadows, teeming with life. The air is fresh and pure, filled with the sweet songs of birds. Butterflies dance among colorful wildflowers, their wings a kaleidoscope of hues. Deer graze peacefully in sun-dappled glades, their eyes reflecting the tranquility of their surroundings. This is a world where nature thrives, a symphony of life in perfect harmony. The air buzzes with the industrious hum of bees, vital pollinators ensuring the continuation of diverse plant life. A family of ducks glides across the surface of a pristine lake, their reflections mirroring the boundless sky above. This is the earth at its most vibrant, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. But a dark cloud hangs over this paradise, a shadow that threatens to extinguish its vibrancy. Pollution, in its many forms, casts a pall over our planet, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The air, once pure and invigorating, is choked with noxious fumes from factories and vehicles. The once clear skies are now hazy with smog, a visible reminder of our unsustainable practices. Rivers and lakes, once teeming with life, are now clogged with plastic waste and industrial effluent. The crystal clear waters, once a source of life and beauty, are now murky and lifeless, a tragic testament to human negligence. Landfills overflow with garbage, a stark reminder of our throwaway culture. The very soil that sustains us is contaminated with harmful chemicals, poisoning the food we eat and the water we drink. The consequences of our actions are all around us, a stark reminder that we are pushing our planet to the brink. The impact of pollution on wildlife is devastating. Animals are losing their habitats as forests are cleared for agriculture and urban development. Many species are on the brink of extinction, their numbers dwindling as their homes are destroyed. Sea turtles, once masters of the ocean, are now entangled in plastic waste, their lives cut short by our careless disregard for the environment. Birds fall from the sky, their bodies riddled with toxins ingested from contaminated prey. Fish suffocate in polluted rivers, their gills clogged with plastic particles. The delicate balance of nature is disrupted and the consequences are dire. Whales beach themselves, their bodies filled with plastic waste, a stark reminder of the far-reaching consequences of our actions. The cries of endangered species echo through the ravaged landscapes, a desperate plea for help that we can no longer ignore. Section 4, a threat to our well-being. The impact of pollution is not limited to the natural world, it also poses a grave threat to human health. Air pollution is linked to respiratory problems, heart disease, and even cancer. Contaminated water sources lead to outbreaks of waterborne diseases affecting millions of people worldwide. Children in particular are vulnerable to the effects of pollution, their developing bodies more susceptible to toxins. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat are all under threat, jeopardizing our health and well-being. We are all connected to the environment, and the health of our planet is inextricably linked to our own. The consequences of inaction are dire, but we still have time to change course. Section 5, Seeds of Change, Hands of Hope. The challenges we face are daunting, but there is still hope. Across the globe, individuals, communities, and governments are taking action to combat pollution and restore our planet. From grassroots movements promoting sustainable living to international agreements tackling climate change, the seeds of change are being sown. Renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power are replacing fossil fuels, reducing our reliance on polluting energy sources. Sustainable farming practices are being implemented, minimizing the use of harmful chemicals and promoting biodiversity. Recycling and waste reduction initiatives are gaining momentum, reducing the amount of garbage ending up in landfills and oceans. Education and awareness campaigns are empowering individuals to make informed choices and adopt eco-friendly lifestyles. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Section 6, Towards a Brighter Dawn. The journey towards a greener world will be long and challenging, but we must remain hopeful. By working together, we can reverse the tide of pollution and create a sustainable future for generations to come. Imagine a world where the air is clean and fresh, where rivers sparkle with life, and where forests teem with biodiversity. Imagine a world where children can breathe freely, where wildlife thrives, and where the beauty of nature is preserved for all to enjoy. This is the future we must strive for, a future where humanity lives in harmony with the natural world. Let us be the generation that turns the tide, that heals our planet and creates a brighter dawn for all. The time for action is now. Our planet is counting.
اگر آپ کو ہماری ویڈیو اچھی لگی تو ہمیں لائک اور سبسکرائب کر دیں اور ایسی مزید ویڈیو دیکھیں